Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab M9 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and probably I will not be able to turn the camera. Alright, it does not work, so let me turn the device. So if we are on the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar at the top. Unfortunately, the timer is not here, but so we have to enter the settings, which are right now in the left upper corner. As you can see here, we've got the timer and we've got 3 different options. So the off option, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay. As you can see, all you have to do is to tap on the option. And now let's go back to the camera, tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Of course 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen. Alright, you can also set the 3 seconds delay or turn it off just by tapping on this icon again. It's pretty simple, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.